So this is one of the best sections of my room in the house because it has my recumbent exercise bike. I love this thing, guys. Now, first of all, it was very easy to put together. You need batteries for this display, but it's not a bad thing. It was only 61 pounds, so it's not heavy. You know, it's not that heavy as your typical exercise bike. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not bulky at all. Just some quick tips for you. It has the safety straps for the pedal. You have the recumbent handlebars. You also have the adjustable seat, so it definitely does adjust. Of course, I showed you before, you have the LCD computer display. You have the adjustable resistance down there, just to, put in more work. And then also you can, it has transport wheels up front. So it's not hard to move around. And by the way, these take 2 AAA batteries. But I do want to show you how easy it is to lift and transport. So you simply just pull up, and it has those wheels so you can move it around and so forth. You need to drag it out that section to another area of the house. And again, it's 61 pounds, so make sure if you have any issues with lifting things, be careful. But I love this exercise bike. Definitely worth it.